Today I want to show you Adobe Illustrator top 3 trick.
Watch full video and please subscribe.
Number 1. How to repeat any object. Go to Object. Click Repeat. Now click Make. Follow process. Now, I show how to make grid. Go to Object. Click Repeat, and now click Grid. Now, how to make mirror. Go to Object, Repeat, and click Mirror. Number 2. How to make Mockup by Illustrator. Go to Object. Click Mockup, and now click Make. This is the right way to mock up anything. Number 3. How to make intertwine. Go to Object. Intertwine and click Make. Now follow the process.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.